everyone, it's Vixi, and today I'm showing you how to re-enable your comments after Culpa decided to turn it down because of the child protection apps. So the app that you will need is YouTube Studio, as you can see right here in the corner. We're going to go ahead and press that and open it up, and on this you can automatically see it shows your analytics, your statistics, comments, videos, and all that. So what you're going to want to do is press on the video that you want to change the comments on. So I'm going to press on the online school skit. So I'm just going to press on this one. And then here you can see all of your information, all of your analytics, the comments, the likes, where they're coming from. So you want to go to the pencil that's up there, and then down here you're going to see like two people. You want to press that right down here. It says no, it's not made for kids. That's the automatic one. You want to make sure that it says no and don't restrict, so that people can still access your video without it being restricted to over 18. And then in order to turn them back on, you have to make sure that the allow comments button is blue, because if you put it on gray, then it won't be on. So yeah, that's basically it. Now sometimes it'll turn on and back off all the time, so you want to make sure to go through your videos and make sure that they're all on. And then this is just a useful app to have if you're a YouTuber. So if you go on YouTube, you'll be able to see that you can see that your comments are back on. So that's what I like about this app. So you just gotta make sure to go in every few days to make sure that it's back on. Cause sometimes it likes to turn it back off, but that's fine. You can just turn it back up. The comments won't delete. But yeah, that's basically it. That's how I use YouTube Studio to be able to re-enable my comments and make sure that doesn't go again. So bye guys.